morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another day on the stream. Will we get Money Thursday today? Will we get some good runners? Will we get some breakouts? Will we get the volume continuing through? Will Bed Bath & Beyond bounce? Will we see something else pop up? We'll see. Hopefully it's a great day. Hopefully it's a great day. Get some music started. There we go. Good morning, Discipline. Good morning, Gerard. Steven, Snacks. Good morning, good morning. Welcome in. Good to see you. You all ready to roll today? Hopefully it is a killer day. Got my Powerade here. Discipline. Good morning, Susan. Welcome in. Good to see you this morning. Hey, Michael. Good morning. Jordan. Yep. We got new emoji. So I got to add one more as we keep gaining members of the channel. And I think I need like one more member to add another one, but I'm just going to keep adding them, you know, that's relevant to the channel at least. What's up, Simon? Good morning.
PCX.
Welcome in. You guys taking any trades yet? Done anything?
GT.
I see PSTV still up. That went in after hours. Besides that, nothing really crazy moving. MNMD. Only crypto. Yo, Steven, welcome. Welcome to the inner circle. You are the 10th member. Welcome in. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
AMP.
Now you got the emojis. Now you got the early access to the videos. Beautiful.
Polly.
What's up, Mick? What's up? What you been trading crypto, Simon? You trading some Bitcoin this morning? Brad Bath Beyond. I love it. JUV. Okay. Cool. Cool. Hey, Broda, what's up? What up? What up? Nice.
TNXP.
What do you trade crypto on? Your broker? MNMD short just today. Sweet. Looked like I had a nice fall just a second ago. Binance. Okay, cool. Sweet. All right, we can flip over and start looking at stuff. Oh, yeah. Are we going to get Money Thursday, Broda? I'm honestly surprised that SPY has not fell off yet. We're due a pullback. I mean, we hit the 200 SMA to the penny. So you guys know, if you've been watching the stream for a while, and I've still got them drawn in, we had this channel here. The channel, and I drew it in as soon as this bottom got put in. So we had the bottom put in, we had a clear top, traded within the channel for a while, and as soon as we broke through the channel, we kind of just continued straight up to the 200. So we are not only at the 200, but there's also a overall, like the entire, year trend line that's from here across here to where we are right now. So I really don't see us just shredding through this line, because this trend started back in January 3rd at the market high from this year. Actually, all-time highs. So we are up to that level. We're up to the 200. We have rejected it just a little bit, I mean, I can see us pulling down to low 420s, but it's showing strength. It really is. And I mean, it may come test the 200 again, pull back, but I mean, I would even be fine with us coming back to 415 to test it. But I mean, if it's going to go, it's going to go. And you know how the market is. I mean, it's made to go up. It's always going to go up. If we get a little bit of hope, like I said, if we get a little bit of hope, we're going to start trending right back up. And here we are. Big volume on ES on this move. I mean, maybe. Yeah, maybe. Watching. Yeah, I think Bitcoin, I think it bounces through 25 soon. I really do. Because it's been liking to follow the market lately. It's a 23.5, trying to form a bottom here. This, of course, is a 30-minute chart. It's going to have some support in the 23 range.
Bbby.
The daily needed a pullback, though, just like, honestly, SPY needs. But it had kind of been trending up. It's got a lower trend with an upper trend as well. So it's kind of a rising wedge a little bit, but who knows? It could break out. It could break out. It's been following the market. It may just be like a rising channel, but either way, that's usually a bearish pattern. So if it holds this level, sure, it can come back, push higher. But if it breaks down below here, we may test 21, 22 again. So that's the daily on Bitcoin. But yeah, I mean, if it puts in the bottom, if it holds the levels, it might be all right. But a rising wedge is usually not the best. What's up, Megan Sales? Good morning. Good morning. Welcome in. Good to see you. Chris Jubb, Justin. Yo, Peter with the $4.99 super chat. How do I become a member? I need that Powerade emoji. You can just click on join underneath my name in the YouTube. Now, if you're on mobile, it should be under the same thing that you did the super chat through. So just click on that little dollar sign, and I think it pops up. It says member. And just like that, you're a member of the inner circle. What's up, Dozer? Good morning. Fernurky, good morning. Good to see you all. V-Man, what is up? You tried crypto this morning? Or last night? I didn't touch it. I didn't touch it last night.
BBIG.
Good morning, Adrian. Welcome in. Good to see everybody this morning. Only stickers and chats. All right. I'll hook you up with a direct link then, Peter.
AG.
Appreciate the $4.99. Buffy, good morning. Welcome in. There you go. There's the channel memberships link. Now, I would suggest not doing it on an Apple device
VLTA.
because Apple wants their cut. And Apple will charge you $6.99 when normally it's just $4.99. So be careful with that. I would do it on your browser, personally.
CNTX.
Appreciate the support, guys, though. It means a lot. It really means a lot. I love doing this for you guys, and I really appreciate the support. So, PSTV, what a heck of a run late yesterday. Heck of a run. Yo, Steven with the 10 gifted memberships. So we have popped up to 20 now. Holy.
WTI.
And for some reason, it doesn't update it whenever I love it. Mullins Training Academy gifted a membership. Love it. There's an update on the dashboard when we get gifted memberships. So I got to go manually update that. Hold on one second. Appreciate the 10 gifted memberships to the Inner Circle from Steven, a.k.a. Walrus. All right, I got to figure this out now.
Chris.
Now everybody's going to be green. It's just a green circle for everyone.
Dale.
There we go. Julia got one. Nice.
Deal.
Yeah, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. So the lesson video that I do on the weekends, you guys get early access to that. So I tweeted it out this time. I'm just going to put it in the community section, and you should get a notification when it's up early. And then usually like 30 minutes to an hour after, I'll make it public. You got the emojis. Appreciate it, appreciate it. Everybody's green now. Love to see it. Does walrus look like a walrus? So walrus is the exact opposite of a walrus. Exact opposite. Very skinny, very tall. He's like 6'4", 150, like skinny, tall guy. So we got plenty of new members now. Welcome. All right, let's see what we got. Let's look to see if we actually got some movers today. Watching G-Box. Thanks for getting me back on topic, Mick. So G-Box had a run yesterday. No, had a run 2 days ago. So this is a T2, huh? See if it's a perfect T2. So it went from 127. Yes, so this is a T2 setup. 100% the first day. Did bleed off about half of it, which I don't like to see as much. Second day traded though within the mother candle. Now today it will be, let's see, it closed here. Yeah, so today it will be short sell restricted. It'll be a T2, so getting back above 2, which it is right now, is a good level for it to push higher. So yeah, it's already trying to start. It's trying to do, you know, the T2 move. I don't remember, did this have news? I remember this running. Not that I see. So I don't think it had news the other day, but it did have a really good run out the gate.
GBOX.
Oh, it had ER, okay. And now it's already pushing. Yeah, it's trying to start the T2 move right now. So 220 should be a little resistance. It's the level from here and here that was support previously and finally broke down below. I'm hoping that BWV fades off today and which it already is, becomes the T2 for tomorrow. It'll be a sick T2. If BWV fades, like come down to 460. Give us 460, 450 entry on BWV today. It's already down 32%. It didn't have an offering, right? Let me double check that, because that'll kill it. Okay, I don't see an offering. So it's down 32% today on no negative news. So this is a prime T2 candidate for tomorrow. I mean, it's at 5 right now, but 460 will be like ideal.
NR.
Like this is the level it was rejecting and then finally broke out of right here. But we may not get that low. We may not get that low at all. But that is like picture perfect, like ideal, you know, snagging the best entry you possibly can. But $5 is a big psychological level. So $5 may be the spot to hold. It's already went down to 510. I mean, this could be the bottom of the day. Who knows? Peter, welcome to the inner circle. We're at 21 now. We went from 9 to 21. Appreciate it, guys. Really appreciate it. Now you have the Powerade and the Dr. Pepper. I got some emojis to add now. I've got plenty of emojis. And don't forget at the top of the screen where you see the Wars 10 gifted subs, click on that and make sure you're hitting allow gifts to this channel. Yeah, it should have let you join from your phone. But the issue is if you're joining through Apple, you need to do it on your browser.
CGC.
There it is. The stonks. Appreciate it, appreciate it. But yeah, this is set up perfect. As long as we don't have negative news, as long as something doesn't come out. Yeah, Apple doesn't want you to find it. They don't want to support Google. That's the issue with trying to do it on your iPhone. Apple does not want you to find it. And if you do find it, they're going to charge you $6.99 instead of $4.99. But it is what it is.
Seal.
So what were we looking at? G-Box. I got off on a tangent on another stock that's not even moving, and this one is. So G-Box, if it can get going, you know, confirm over 220, it may make the move right now. I hate to see it really in pre-market make the T2 move. Yep, whenever the market's looking good, blue Powerades in the chat. I feel it. I feel that. We probably have 3 or 4 more spots. If anybody has any ideas, anything related to the stream, any of the members for a new emoji, let me know. I made the good morning one last night. And then the Power and the Dr. Pepper were easy. I just had to go find an image. So this is trying to break through right now. I really don't like that. So you would have had to have overnighted this to get the full move of the T2 on G-Box. But we'll watch it closely here. We'll see if it's setting up on the 1. Market hot, watch Alto and a solar bounce. And if meme's hot, tempted to try Fubo. Yeah, Fubo kind of screwed me open yesterday. I'm not going to lie. Ended up recovering from it. Okay, there's a little pullback. And it was the same thing. If you guys remember a couple weeks ago when I was trading Bed Bath & Beyond. Back when it was like $10. It was following AMC up until open. AMC rips it open. And then Bed Bath & Beyond was trash. Went straight down and wrecked me. So Fubo was the same deal yesterday. We were trading it in pre-market. It was set up here, set up over VWAP, set up over the 20 EMA on the 5. Bed Bath & Beyond bounced and ripped. Fubo got destroyed. Dropped $1, over $1. So yeah, that was not good action there. I kept trying to buy the dip. I think I bought it here, stopped out, bought it here, stopped out, and then I think I finally gave up at this level. And I played a little bit of a bounce right here. I think that was when Bed Bath & Beyond halted up. It literally went from $5.60 to $6, which is great. I mean, that's 40 cents, but compared to where it was. Sorry.
PSTV.
But yeah, it's set up. Maybe, let's see. So it needs over 575 right now to break out of this down trim.
BBIG.
It's honestly like a really big falling wedge. Really, really big falling wedge. But, I mean, it can. If the memes get going, Fubo can squeeze. I didn't realize Fubo had gotten this cheap. And I was looking for things. Remember when I found Newegg and was looking for real companies that were under, $10, $5? Fubo, I completely forgot about it. Fubo was down to $2.50. And football season's coming up. WETG just had more news.
IBIO.
It'd be nice for Pats to hold over 373. Today's resistance turn support on the daily. Finally started to break out, huh? So it's got a little gap to fill here from 550. Sometimes the gaps will fill to these levels, so which would have filled yesterday. Sometimes the gap fills to the wick, sometimes the gap fills to the body. So you never know, and sometimes it doesn't fill at all. Sometimes there's no gap fill, and it's just potential gap fills the reason it's running. But yeah, starting to kind of push up ugly daily.
AERC.
The way it keeps doing this, but it is pushing higher.
NBFY.
Speaking of Newegg, I sold out of my swing when it started acting weird, but I think it's still got potential. I just do not like, one, how it keeps getting pumped. So it'll get pumped up and just sold right back off to the bottom. Pumped up, sold right back off. It won't hold its gain, so something's weird with it. But I think I sold the second day that it ended up pulling back here. But it's still holding. The daily's still holding up. It's still 13 million float. It's still 15% short. The daily's still sitting right here. But I don't know. Something was weird with it. Like it's not ready. They're not letting it go yet. And I've been talking about this for a while, with, the chips are back in stock, all this other stuff with Newegg. The earnings should be better, should be, it's near lows when it was like way, way higher. They're actually a real company. Let me step away for just a second. I'll be right back.
BBLT. NGD.
All right, all right. Hey, Jesus, what's up? Good morning. Good to see you, buddy. You had a good day yesterday. Had some really good trades. So we had another fire call, okay? Somebody's looking for an educator role in MTA. Well on your way.
TUEM.
Yeah, BBIG 185, 184. I was trying to play it yesterday in this zone, I think. It pulled back, and then in after hours, it just went. Yeah, it pulled way back to these levels right here and just went. 235 daily spot, huge, yeah.
MLCO, DNA, CDE.
Yeah, BBIG's kind of culty. Why were they even T12 or whatever they were? I know they needed more information on something, but what was it? Yesterday was a good, give me a month or two for work, so slow down. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, you're doing a great job considering, you know, you don't have any time or have very little time. All right, here's the 8:30 news. Is that it? 5 things of news? Oh my gosh. That's like a Friday news drop. It is Thursday, right? Yeah, that's insanely low news. Management issues? Okay. I know they just had that spinoff with TYDE. But yeah, heck of a run. Why am I not hearing the trade idea scanner? Maybe nothing's happening.
CLS.
Oh, there it is. So you said PSTV looks like it's going to do something. Let's look. Talking about an algo run. Look at this. That is just nuts. The after hours move on this. But yeah, it's trying to. It looks very, very heavy, but it's trying to get moving.
VLDR.
I thought that was AERC news for a second, but it's AREC. Yeah, it needs above 130. But wow, that's some straight up action from 57 to 165. And this had just had news a couple days ago, and it had a crazy fade. So maybe it had news and they just shoved it down to re-add. I don't know. Got a lot of relative, not really a lot.
CDAK.
Chris has your daily, or has your interest, comes the daily. Okay. You can pull it up down here.
CDAK. WEBL.
Did I have news today?
BCEL.
Lifts partial clinical hold. Okay. Yeah, that's good. That's good news. Oh. Yeah, there's a gap over 150 here. Over 160. Interesting. Thanks for bringing that up.
Phase.
MTC have beaten down recent Momo name with potential bounce. Yeah. Let's look.
IONM.
Yeah. Yeah, it's due a reversal day. Looks like it's getting close. It's kind of rounding the bottom off right here. TBLT had a little bit of a bounce yesterday too. Kind of a similar scenario.
Rev.
Too many tickers to look at this morning. PSTV, I gotta keep that chart up.
BCEL.
Yeah, so Chris and PSTV top watches.
AIKI. FNHC.
This is entry on Chris if it's not gonna fall off. Let's see. I hate how it just bounced from this level and rejected again.
Drug.
PSTV, I'm gonna pull up my other chart. Just so I can watch it too to potentially take an entry. If I take an entry, I'll switch it over. This is right at entry here. Is it gonna hold though? If it starts to fade, yeah, both of them really aren't trying to go right now. All right. Trying to hammer here on the 1. See if this closes up. Yep.
PHG.
New candle here. What is that? Did I get filled or not? The classic trade station. Oh my gosh. Delayed my order. Oh my gosh, trade station. So slow. That was a classic trade station move right there. But it held. It held. So it may make the push here. What is going on? So slow. Yeah, man, super sus. They want those entries before me. I swear if I miss another trade on this. Frozen order. Yeah, it won't let me in. Now it's a yellow order. Oh my God. What up, JD? We're having trade station woes this morning. Yep, it still didn't let me in. Let me try individual 5,000 orders. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna have to restart and clear my cache. Okay, there we go. Finally filled me. 3 cents, 4 cents higher than what I originally wanted. That's
Bbby.
annoying. That is annoying. You got the gift thing figured out. Well, you missed a huge gift bomb by Steven. He dropped 10 gifted this morning. But I'm glad you got it figured out.
WETG.
I swear if this fails now, after buying this high, I'm going to be very frustrated. That's what it looks like. It's what she's looking like. Oh my gosh. I had about 4 cents higher than I wanted. You had to delete your account? Oh my gosh. Well, that's drastic. Hero bid? Then resubbed it. Wow. Well, that's frustrating. Sorry to hear that. Okay, just go now. Just go. Just go. I'm tired of screwing around with you. You did have a brand account. Okay. I don't even know what that is, really. Is this really going to do this? Come on. I'm not buying anymore just because of the way it's acting. It looks ready right here, though. Through 146, test 150, and then get up to that 160 gap. Selling pressure still there. We need a bidder at 145 to pop in.
GOVX.
Nope. Where's that? GovX pre-market lows. Okay. I'm about to get tired of this. Just go. Yeah, something's really fishy with this right now. It won't even fill me on my cells until I was red on it. So now that I'm red on it,
WKSP.
it lets me out easy. All right, I am going to flip back here, and I'm going to close out of this trash, clear the cache. That's frustrating. The odds were stacked against me there. Didn't want to let me in until it was insanely high. And then they didn't want to let me out until I was selling for a loss. I couldn't sell for even. Right? Try to restart, see what's going on here. Yeah, so unsure if my old sub went away to your channel or if I'm sub twice now. I don't know. We'll see. I do not know. All right, we're loading back up. Hopefully this fixes it. All right. Think we're good.
NBRV.
PSTV. Chris. Yep, this is going now. Now that I'm back up. Now that I'm back up. There she blows.
Chris.
That is insanely frustrating.
SESN.
G-Box, maybe. It's a T2 today. This is very annoying. I'd be up $1,000 right here. So, made me chase higher. Wouldn't let me sell for even, so I sold for a loss just to make sure I wasn't going to sell for a huge loss. And then now she rips. Yep. Yeah, this is the trade station trash that I deal with on a regular basis. Frozen order, delay orders, delay fills, slow fills, gray orders, yellow orders. I'm just so used to this This matrix, man, I love this matrix. When it works, it's fantastic. If they would have this on another platform, I would switch to it immediately. Ear looking good. Yeah, ear up to 3. Yeah, I gotta take this off my screen. That was my play. That would have been 1,500 to 2K, and I could have probably just chilled for the rest of the day. Let me see if the order goes right in on this. Yeah, it's in.
MLCO.
Yeah, I remember you saying what you did, but I don't remember exactly what it was, but I'd have to look. I may have to do something. The ladder's amazing. The ladder is amazing. Yeah, ear just kind of straight up here. Chris was the play. Completely missed it. PSTV pulling back now, actually. I don't know if PSTV gets another shot at it here, really. Maybe. Trying to hold 20 there. Just watch the trade station ladder next to my Weeble. Alright, gotcha. Made a batch file that deletes all the cache directories. Okay.
Tissy.
Oh, that's pretty sweet, actually. Because it's stupid that the platform is so bad that you have to delete the cache and freaking restart your workspace every single time.
Deo.
When you say set up charts, do you mean trend lines or do you mean like EMAs and like indicators? Because I could deal with trend lines. I'm watching ear. Got PSTV up. Chris is probably at $3 by now. Almost. It's on its way. Would have been the easiest trade of the day. Magnet to that gap zone. Okay, yeah, I may get on voice to figure that one out. Yeah, if I'd have had 151 on this, I'd have never even had to think twice. Could have just wrote it up. Okay, appreciate it. Appreciate it, JD. Ear's trying its best to hold 290. Okay, Chris pulling back just a little bit now. PSTV still hanging around. Ear, low 290s. Trying to hold.
MNMD. TCVP.
Got about 10, 11 minutes till the 9 a.m. news.
Drug.
Drug, what's that? BWV, we're watching over 560. Yeah. Where did it fall to? Is it still down?
RSLS.
Oh, it bounced already, man. I wanted to go a little lower, to be honest with you. Chris still playing with my heart. PSTV still at 120 level. Yeah, it has some issues sometimes. Like you just saw on my screen, it was terrible. Frozen order, yellow order, delayed fill, partial fill. Very annoying. Yeah, I mean, I guess just buy near 5. We were talking about it down here. I really wanted to see it fall a little further, but whatever. PSTV bounce, trying to push back higher now. Needs through like 124, 125. Chris just keeps going higher. I guess I gotta re-add it here. That would have been the easiest pre-market trade ever, though. Yeah, I was trying for 151 when it held this level right here. No, 141. 141. So I'd be up, even on the position I had to chase, I'd be up 2K.
APDN.
126 now on PSTV. 100K ask. Yeah, this is frustrating. If I miss my perfect entry, I'm usually out in a heartbeat when I go red. So they screwballed me at 141, froze my order. Screwballed me at 142, froze my order. I had to chase 144, and then I tried to sell for even because I was in too high. Wouldn't let me sell for even, so I sold for a loss. A day in the life of a trade station trader. G-Box. Okay, I need to pull that up down here. There's way too many things to watch this morning. Way too many things. You got... No, it wasn't. No one stole the shares from me. It was TradeStation doing a delayed order on me. I timed it up perfect.
FNHC. NEGG.
Newegg got another PR. They have a PR like every other day, though. Probably should have just held my swing. Not as bad as E-Trade. I used to have E-Trade too. E-Trade used to have a ladder. They took it away. I used to get decent fills on E-Trade, but that was back in the commission days. Way back in my day, we used to pay commission uphill both ways.
NEGG.
So Newegg is gonna go, huh? You still, yeah. Yeah, in the UK, they won't let you get away with free trades. Canada's the same way, I think. I think Canada's like $10 a trade on TOS, or it used to be. Snacks, imagine playing $10 a trade.
MNMT.
You'd be dead. You'd be bankrupt. You'd be negative on one day. So what exactly is the difference in the matrix and a different order book on which you can market trade? So I've never tried to like enter a trade on a yeah, for real. I never tried to enter a trade on a level 2. I don't know, is that even a thing? But this one, like, you can put exactly the quantity you want, your duration, your route, your whatever. You can put a bracket order in, and you just click. Click to enter, click to set a stop, click to sell. Literally whatever you want to do can be happen within a click. No hotkey, no typing in numbers, no nothing. Yeah, you can hide orders. There's like really complex things you can do. Yep, so this would be the easiest trade of all time from the 141 entry. Absolute easiest trade of all time. And I sold right here because a wacky trade station. So it's entered the gap now. Who knows how far it'll go. 1440 in and out. Oh my goodness.
Chris.
Yep. Yep, rub it in some more, brother. Yep. Easiest trade of all time. Right there. So when you're right and you try to enter perfect and you chart it out and you look for this move and it gets the move, you still have a chance of getting screwed by your broker. The circle of life.
Teva.
G-Box still hanging around. It's on the, yeah, it came off the 20 on the 5, pushed up a little bit. Did you get entry on, who was talking about G-Box? I don't know where it went. Whoever was talking about good entry, oh yeah, JD. Did you take an entry on G-Box? Oh, Mick, okay, Mick. Did you take an entry on G-Box?
Solo.
I swear if Newegg goes to 5 today, I'm gonna be so upset. we were just talking about it too. I just said that I sold. It was looking ugly, yada yada. Still like the company.
WKSP.
No love today at all for me. Yep. She's gonna go to 5. Love it. I was swinging at 389. I'm always, every time I take a freaking swing trade, I get such a low entry that the first day it runs or the second day it runs and I'm up 10%, I sell out. And then the next 2 days, it goes ballistic. Every time.
Geo.
All right, 9 a.m. news. What we got? Anything good? No. No. No.
LKCO.
LKCO wins Microsoft Partner Award. Yep, Newegg's going to 5. Today's not my day, guys. Uh-oh.
AIHS.
Don't you tell me the internet went out. Are we here? Are we live? We still good? Okay, I think we're good. I just about lost you guys for a second.
Fold.
Okay, still good. Okay. Everything went red. Like my song stopped. I thought my internet went out again for the 1,000th time. But thankfully it did not.
SUNW UEC ALTA DNUDC LABUSK WEL JMIABLU MQ LMFA HUT Sophie WV.
Okay, I think we're good now. We are good to go.
PTON CGC
So,
LX
her CGC on the scanner.
CLNE.
Ooh. Tilray might be close to a daily entry, Broda. Like really close. Kind of already bounced this morning. I know you're talking about weed. You think it's going to be the next sector. Did Tilray have negative news? Did it have earnings or something? Because CGC still looks strong in the daily, and Tilray's had 2 red days in a row. Yeah, this one's always been my favorite. I remember I traded it right here. I think I had 6s, went to 8s. Yeah, this is a watch for sure. Low 4s. 385 would be like insanely ideal. Wish I just had all the capital in the world to swing stocks. BBBY pulling back a little, right to 19. Down 17% today.
Teva.
So, PSTV, Chris, BBIG, G-Box. What else? Fubo, if Bed Bath & Beyond bounces. All kinds of stuff today, which is kind of unfortunate because it's when there's too many things, kind of volume kind of gets spread out. There's no clear runner, you get some chop.
KULR. PXLW. NEGG.
Neg is just straight up taunting me.
NEGG.
Yeah, that's sad. That's really sad. But oh well. Every time I ever swing anything, it's just like this. So it is what it is. BBIG.
Chris.
Trying to push its way up through. Chris, oh my gosh, 9 a.m. algos are on, baby. I'd be up $1 million right here on Chris. Be up $1 million on Neg Swing. Oh, what could have been, I guess. Just bad execution, I guess. Bad execution by my broker over here, but on Neg, that was totally my fault.
HITI.
I don't think I've heard this song before.
KAHC. CDAK.
If you guys like the music that I play on stream, I'm not promoting this. Like, I'm not an affiliate to this or anything, but this is the playlist that I use.
ZOM. SOBR. CDEV.
Yeah, I just said it this morning. I mean, you can screen grab it and clip it from this morning. I like Neg as a company, and bada bing, bada boom, it's at $5. Great job on Chris Discipline. If you're still in this, if you traded it, if you scalped it, if you made money on it, great job. I think you were talking about this too. Hurts my soul. Yeah, for sure. I bought off a Newegg before. I bought my first computer chair off a Newegg. Yeah, they're a good company. They're real. They're not like Wish. They're not like the dollar store, the trash can of the internet.
Increased.
Wish is like if Dollar General or Family Dollar or whatever had access to everything on the internet. And they didn't have to have a physical store.
IPW.
I need to go let the dogs out. They're barking.
APRN Alna Tava NEGG
All right. I see Chris is at 182.
TBLT Chris LSF GMBL CDAK
You still in this, brother? Chris? Very strong.
MDNA
Very, very strong. You are correct. You are correct, good sir. Because I was taking entry right here. Then forced to take entry right here. And got out right here. All because of the gray into yellow into cancel into, you know, whatever. Yep, BBIG 189 right now. Testing 190.
NVFY
I'll try 10 for the breakthrough. If it doesn't break through, it doesn't break through.
SOBR
It's struggling. I thought it was going to rip right through it. I'll wait for a better entry. As I tell you guys all the time, when I take an entry and it doesn't do immediately what I think it's going to do, I'm right back out. No reason to hold, no reason to do anything, especially if you're buying through a breakout. If it doesn't break out when you're thinking it's going to break out, then just roll out. Take a re-entry. Buy on support instead of buying through the breakout.
XELA, QNRX.
XELA announces public sector contract win in Germany. $11 million contract. Daily's very, very low on XELA. Recent reverse split, I think.
CDAK HITI.
Yeah, it doesn't read bad at all. But it's having like an insanely high upper wick on that. That's weird. Very strange. Yeah, BBIG up to 190, Chris 180, G-Box pulling back.
MNMT.
XELA over 150, 168, $2 gap. There's a lot of room on XELA, but it's not really going. Let's look at float on it now. 23 million float, 15% short. It may catch. I'll be watching it. Whoops. Yep, still in full, gonna take some off. Yeah, I don't blame you. Taking some off on Chris before open.
CRHC. RSLS, CYBN.
Got about 13 minutes till open.
BBIG.
BBIG up through 190 now. So it just needed to slow down a little bit, looks like. Right here, pull back to 186 or so, and then hammer push through.
New. LEDs. KAL.
Did you take some off up here? On
GOEV.
Chris? Starting to slow down just a little bit. BBIG is accelerating into open though. You still holding BBIG, Jesus?
TBLT.
You pretty much top ticked it, didn't you? Nice job. That sucks, man. Sorry about that, JD. That's weird. I don't know even how you got a brand account.
INPX. ISPO.
From 48 to 170 is great, though. Really is.
TCO.
So G-Box pulled back, still hanging around. Hope it didn't have its T2 run right here. That would be lame.
SESN.
Yeah, for real. Hey, Gold Miner, good morning. Welcome. Well, I better go feed the dogs real quick. So I'll be right back. That's what I'm trying to click.
Raw. NEGGG. CDAK. CDAK. LGBN. STSS. NBFY. Polly.
Right? Been taking the kids to school this week, haven't been on. It's all good. Good to see you here. You got quite a few green names now with you.
Chris.
Steven donated 10 this morning. Peter joined this morning. We're up to 21 members of the Inner Circle. Chris to the moon.
ADN. New.
Keeping an eye on FaZe for a squeeze. Yeah, FaZe just keeps hanging around. So I'm keeping an eye on XELA today. Really sold off. Recent reverse split had news. Chris, BBIG, G-Box,
AVCT.
PSTV. Sava's pushing back up. Sava's pushing back up for sure. My goodness.
MDNA.
So what is that? $5, $6, $7 candle.
Teva. QNCX.
Yeah, so LGBN, ACIU, ALZN. I think ACIU is one too. But yep, we'll watch those. Maybe an all-timer sympathy day.
SYRS. INAB. NBTA.
Chris was a heck of a move. We had the ascending drawing right here. Absolute beauty. Regardless of whether I was in or not, I mean, it's good for the market. Good for small caps, for continuation.
UBX.
That's what we want to see.
DSHC. GOVX. ISPO. LOGC.
PXLW. Got the box.
SBS. PTM.
Yeah, holy. Boxed it right up.
Sense.
Yep, 2 more minutes.
Yo.
BBIG still in play.
PXLW.
Guess I'll
MITQ.
switch over to the intraday scanners. About 20 seconds. Good luck today, everyone. Thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks to all the new members. The super chat, the likes, the comments, everything. Just watching. All the support. Love it. Appreciate it. You guys are great. Let's get it.
PSTV, LYTS, LYTS, WKSPR, NPFI, PXLW, AACG, CLMT, Drug, LVPH, BDN, GHL,
BBIG pullback, Chris pullback, G-Box pullback.
NEGG, OFS, ENLC, Chris, WKSP, YMAB, ALLR, ALLR, NEGG, Oboxu,
NEGG is just trying to go today.
MDA, PSTV, CLMT,
BBIG has had an 8K.
CC, MNMT, PSTV, CDAK, ALT, CTO, CMRE,
Kind of ugly open for everything, huh?
Chris, WKSP, Drug, CDAK, PCSA, AIM, KULR, JUPWACG, BRSH,
PSTV, little hammer.
TH,
G-Box trying to hammer a little bit. And he's back over 2. He's at 190. Chris at the VWAP level. Okay, so everything opened a little weak, but now has hammer back up a little. PSTV 120. BWV, that was a perfect entry this morning, low fives that we were looking at. It actually gave another low 5 entry. Now pushing up.
ZTO, VLN, TRMD, LYTS, COGT, AIM, KULR, AXDX,
G-Box 198 again.
BBIG,
Nice hammer, 199. BWV 6, coming up on it at least, 595. BBIG hammer, so literally everything hammered this morning. Besides Chris.
FNHC, COS,
So G-Box up through 2 now.
Chris,
Nice hammer.
VLN,
XELA just straight up died. Thought that would actually push a little bit today. Recent reverse split, new news, but I guess not. G-Box looking strong though. 205 through VWAP, 206. 220 is the big level on G-Box. BWB. Okay, BBIG weak candle. Chris 160. BWV through 6.
SMMT, ENLC, CYCC, CYCC,
G-Box 220. So it needs over that 220 level. That's the level to break. Through 220. It's got room to 250. If it can get through 220 this morning.
Missed.
What is this pots and pans song?
CIMC, missed. LBPH, BRSH, CTMX.
Good morning, AC. Welcome in, buddy. Yeah, BWV gave great entries again, huh?
Frog, NUWE, CRTD,
G-Box struggling with this 220 level, but over that looks good. Slowing down just a little bit, pulling back just a fuzz.
Chris,
There it is, pull back now. Big red candle on it.
SYPR, MPA,
BWV trying to get back above 6.
NFGC, Drug, GNS, Top, DSX, Additive, EXA,
BBIG looking pretty weak here. Chris, meh. G-Box, meh. BWV pulling back now. Sava going. Yeah, Sava, wow. Sava 3230.
ARLP, AIM, LMB,
PRTY, is that pushing up? Yeah, PRTY pushing up. WETG pushing up on the daily PR it has.
Top, CDAK,
FRZA with the push.
Chris, CNTG,
I'm keeping an eye on LGVN off of this.
AIM,
3280 now. See if we go high of day here. Yep, 3290, 33. 33, 33. Nutso.
CDAK, NEGG,
LGVN, little volume there. Nothing crazy. That's the usual clear second sympathy to Sava, and then ALZN's also one. Looking like a good entry if you got 565. I took 611 on LGVN just to try. It was like $6. Considering Sava's blowing the lid off.
Drug. GTIM.
Showing some strength too. It hasn't really pulled back much at all. Now it's starting to adjust a fuzz, but nice strength. ENDP on the scanner.
BLN. LFG. Chris.
Okay, BWV pulling back a little bit more now. It's at 550.
WKUY.
Yeah, it's struggling to push back up. Haven't seen much continuation yet today on anything
CMRE.
besides Sava.
Drug.
Shorts may get caught on Sava if they assume that it's just going to go straight up, straight down again, if they are going to push it higher. Okay, there's a little bounce again on BWV. G-Box death, though. Chris, a little bounce.
ALLR. Chris.
BWV, big bounce. Yep, they shorted it down to 550. Now they might be stuck.
Mind. CMRE.
Wow, G-Box looks like it halted down. Did it? No, it's still going down. Okay, Sava may be trapping them right here, just like I said. Shorts were expecting the same move as yesterday, straight up, straight down. Now, if they can get it back above high of day here, they're trapped. They're stuck. You want a candle close at over 32, though, in my opinion. Still plenty of time for that to happen.
BLN. Chris.
They're letting it fall back down. They've still got plenty of time to push it back up, but man, G-Box got destroyed this morning. Got the 220 test and then death. What are you going to do, Sava? You got 2 minutes left to hammer. They may be right. It may do the straight up, straight down again.
VTGN. CLLS. AIDS.
They really need to bounce it right here. BWV got close. They had them trapped, but they gave it up. So bull pressure today is a classic moneyless Thursday, I guess. They won't let anything follow through yet, at least.
ARMP.
This is still in play though to push through.
WETG.
Okay, last minute of the 5 minute here. Getting a little bit of a hammer. 31.5, 31.6. If they can get the candle close over 32, that'd be really big.
CGRN.
You got 584 again? Okay, nice. Yeah, I think it's still in play.
down. GBOX.
Nope, they're not going to be able to do it. They're going to close it over VWAP, it looks like, but not over 32.
SLNH.
Could it still go? Sure. Is it looking weaker? Sure. Nice volume. 31.7.
MNTK.
This is the level they're struggling with. Yeah, LGBN is in a decent zone. I'm still holding my 611. If Sava keeps going, if Sava makes another new high of day, I think LGBN will go. Trying to hold it.
Chris.
Needs back through 32 though. There's 32. Okay. 32.2.
Soho. CDAK. CDAK. PSTV. ABVC. NSPR.
I got like 3,000. Nothing heavy.
NR. RDVT.
Sava's in position to push higher now. They really need that candle close at over 32 though. Still a long time left in this 5 minute.
METX. Chris. MNMD. SLHGLR. GBS. KBNT. KBNT.
32 is such a big level on this.
KOCG. NSPR. WETG.
Yeah, we're kind of slow right now. That's trying to pull back.
EVEX.
There's a low volume on LGBN. Needs up through high of day. I think that would really, let it hit the scanner. Sava, this is not the best candle though, that's for sure.
VLN. PSTV. VLN. Microgram. WETG.
There we go, 624 now.
Left plus.
If Sava would show a little more strength, man, I think we would really go.
Chris.
BWV still trying for that 6 level.
UIHC.
There we go, we hit the scanner, 630 now. Sava showing a little weakness, but LGBN showing a little strength, so we'll see what happens.
MNMD. ASPU. MNTK, Chris.
I think we're gonna need over like 640, 650 for a really good
MGS.
push, but
ALLR, Seal.
it's looking okay.
Mind. GTBP, GMBLP.
Sava is not giving up yet either. It's hanging on to VWAP so far.
AACG, Seal. Chris. Grom. Seal. CYCC. AVGR.
There's a little push. Just go, Sava.
TH.
That's what I see on LGVN's daily, at least. You know,
ALLR.
right here to right here. 50 SMA, 634 through that. I mean, it's got plenty of room.
MNTK.
Just have to catch, you know.
Drug.
Nothing that says it will catch, but
MNMD. ALLR.
daily does have plenty of room. BWV still screwing around with the 6 level. Can't get through it. But when it does, it looks like it's an insta-pop to 650.
Seal.
There you go, 620s on BWV. Finally pushed up through. Needs to get to that wick level, 630.
Chris. TH.
Oh, there it is. It gave some back. Yep, flush him.
MNTK.
Sava's still just hanging around here.
Drug.
620 is big, yeah. Maybe next 5-minute candle, Sava can push through. Yeah, BWV, pretty ugly rejection right there.
CLMT.
As you guys know, never ever blindly follow me into any trade. Just saying what I see.
MLCO.
None of this is advice.
PSIL. NR. EVEX. Seal.
See if they hammer Sava here.
AIKI. GT.
Down to the 9 on the 5.
AIH. Drug.
Alto. Okay, I'll pull those up in just a second.
TH.
I want to see if Sava can do a trappy hammer here. BBBY style. Yep, always scaling the way up. Absolutely. So even when flushes like that happen on BWV, you don't really lose a lot of your profit because you've already scaled out most.
WETG.
I just got a little bit back out of LGVN. I'm holding a little bit. Just because Sava is looking so weak. They can't push it through. Drug halt? Oh my gosh. What in the... I didn't realize that it pushed back up. Last I looked, it was just stuck right here at 109, 110. It's at 236. Chris looks terrible. PSTV looks terrible. Ang straight up. Yep. ENG.
RNWWW. Chris. ENBB. LBPH.
Discord was screaming drag at you.
PSTV. Grom. ENBB. ENBB. Indo. SISI. CDAK. CLSTV. Indo. SST.
Endo.
Addo. USA. MLCO.
The heck's Endo doing?
Indo. MLCO. Chris.
It's a random volley spike.
RNWWW. THCX. PXLW. ROM. USEG. HCN. MLCO.
Yeah, drug is straight up, huh?
GNE. Bommy. Chris. GTBP.
Not liking really the follow through on anything today at all. Sava, mountaintop again. Just drug has went straight up, halted a couple times, but besides that, it's just been classic trashy Thursday. I don't know why Thursdays are so bad now. They were so good.
USEG. FOMI. GNS. FOMI.
Yeah, action is bad. Action's very bad right now.
GMBD. CDRB. Chris. Tusk. Drug.
Drug opened a little higher, but looking weak.
FOMI. Pola.
Yeah, if you have 1-2%, take it. Run with it. Be proud of it.
Phil.
Drug. Ripping. It's about to halt again. On a 6K? On earnings? Is that what it was?
Pip Plus. Tusk. IMMP. Chris. JUPW Ottercave CDRC Drug Ottercave GMBD
Sun W secures elite ranking on Solar Power World's 2022 top solar contractors list.
USCG Grom Chris MNOV
All right. Well, on that note, I'm calling it. Thanks for the likes, the comments. Thanks for being here. Thanks for the support, guys. Thanks for all the new memberships. Thanks, Steven, for the 10 gifted. Thanks, Peter, for the membership and the super chat. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for all the support as usual. And on that note, don't give any gains back if you are green. Today looks like a take a small gain type game and move on with your day. So don't give back gains if you've got them. Keep your stops tight. I don't see any breakouts. I don't see any real great movement. So it's another moneyless Thursday. It's okay. But enjoy the rest of your day. And I will see you guys back here for the Friday stream tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. See ya.